are going to discuss about if you are buying a flat, that time there are some hidden charges which you don't know. So whatever is the your agreement price, based on that agreement price, there are some hidden charges like stamp duty, registration, GST, parking cost, and all other charges, and how much it cost you, that we'll discuss about in this video. And again, including all these, how much you have to pay extra based on that agreement price, that will decide here. Then here, first important point, that is the stamp duty. So currently the stamp duty from 1st of Jan 2021 to 31st of March 2021, the stamp duty is 4%, but generally stamp duty is 5%. So if we will consider three different categories, like suppose you are buying a flat of 30 lakh rupees, if you are buying a flat related about which is having a agreement cost of 45 lakhs rupees, and if you are buying a flat more than 45, based on that, if you are buying a 30 lakhs rupees flat, so stamp duty is legally about 1.5 lakhs, because 5% of 30 lakhs rupees. For 45 lakhs rupees flat, we have to pay 2.25 lakhs, and for 60 lakhs rupees we need to pay 3 lakhs rupees extra as a stamp duty. After that, there is a registration charges which is about 1%. So for 30 lakhs rupees flat, it is 30,000, for second flat it is 45,000, and for 60 lakhs rupees flats it's 60,000 extra registration charge you need to pay. Then there are GST charges. Now for GST charges, you need to understand some points, like if the flat is in ready to move position, then there is no GST charges. If builder already have that completion certification, then you don't have to pay any GST charges. But if the building is under construction, and if you are buying a under construction property, then you have to pay GST charge. And in that case also, if you are buying a flat below 45 lakhs rupees, then you have a GST is equal to 1%. And if you are buying a flat more than 45 lakhs rupees, then you have to pay 5% GST charges. So based on that, we will consider here 1 and 5%, because for 30 lakhs rupees, which is below 45, so you have to pay 1% of the agreement price, which is 30 lakhs. So totally you have to pay 30,000. For 45 lakhs and above flats, we have to pay 5% of agreement price. So you need to pay 2.25 lakhs for 45 lakhs rupees flat, and for 60 lakhs rupees flat, 5% of that will be 3 lakhs rupees extra you have to pay. So GST is also important if you are buying a under construction property. Then next one is the parking charges, and parking charges for all flat parking charges are fixed rate. So fixed rate, like there is no percentage. It's like if you are buying a open parking, you have to pay 1 to 1.5 lakhs. If you are buying a closed parking, you have to pay 2 to 2.5 lakhs. You have to pay some maintenance, and the maintenance is important because nowadays builders are taking the maintenance before possession, that 2 to 5 years extra maintenance you have to pay in advance. So maintenance is again depend on your locality and the value and the type of home you are buying. So consider here your maintenance is about 2,000 to 2,500 per month. So for 2 years, if you consider 2,500 per month, so for 2 years, like 24 months, you have to pay 60,000 rupees. For 5 years, you have to pay 1,50,000 rupees. So generally I saw that most of the time builders are taking the maintenance in advance for 2 years, because after that, if the society will form, then based on the formation of society and the decision of society, they will decide how much maintenance per month they want to take. Then after that, the preferential location charges, that is very important factor. If you are buying a flat and they are having lots of amenities, and there are suppose garden or swimming tank and all other things, so garden facing flat, top floor flat, front facing flat, all these things you have already seen. And there are some floor rises, like if you are buying, if there is a 10 floor building and if you are buying a flat above 5th floor, then there are some floor rises also. You can see whenever you visit any builder's location, then that location, that charges are PL and comes under PLC, and that varies from 50 rupees per square feet to 500 rupees per square feet. So here for we'll take one example. Suppose a building is having 12 floor, and the floor rise is 50 rupees per square feet above 4th floor. So if you, and then there are some MACB and legal charges, and it cost around 70,000 to 1,30,000, including all legal and MACB charges. So if you consider a total including cost, so we'll consider for suppose here 30 lakhs or for 45 lakhs rupees. So for 45 lakhs rupees, your stamp duty is 5%, which is 2.25 lakhs. Registration is 1%, which is 45,000. GST is again 5%, because above 45 lakhs rupees, so it is 2.25 lakh. Parking cost we will consider here, covered parking 2 lakhs rupees, maintenance is 60,000, MACB is 80,000 average we took, and then floor rise we will consider if you are buying a flat at 5th floor and there is a flat 50,000 rupees per square feet, so 45,000. So total if you include on the agreement price, so we have your agreement price of that flat is 45 lakhs, but actually you have to pay is 53 lakhs 80,000. So roughly 15 to 20% extra charges you have to pay on the basis of agreement price. So that is the hidden charges, and that is very important, because from 45 to 53, around 8 to 9 lakhs rupees extra you have to pay. So that is important. If you are having any question, please let me know. I will answer as soon as possible.